Yes, good afternoon to everybody. I'm Joanna Diamican, Officer of Philippines National Waste Worker Alliance. I am a secretary and one of the uh, member of Eco-Waste Coalition. Uh, I would like to tell my story in my own language, which is Filipino. Uh, sa paggawa po ng e-bike or when we produce e-bike, especially in the Philippines, that's a very large count of e-bike in our country. Why? Because e-bike is more cheaper, practical. When you heard cheaper and practical, tinatangkilik namin to kasi ito lang yung kaya naming bilhin. Ito lang yung kaya naming abutin. Without knowing the black propaganda of that e-bike, who will be benefit of that? Yes, kami ba? Mabe-benefit ba kami ng e-bike? Or yung nagpo-produce or the producer? There's so many marketing the e-bike that it's beautiful, more cheaper, convenient, but unfortunately, lahat po yun puro kasinungalingan. Kapag bumili ka ng e-bike, sinasabi nila na naglo-long last up to 10 years. But sorry to tell you guys, it's only 1 year. So sino yung kumita doon? Si manufacturer. Yes. The e-bike had a lead acid battery. Actually, ito yung nagpapatakbo sa kanya, yung baterya na to. Na kung saan, meron tong lead acid battery. Once na masira na si e-bike, ano na, wala na. Kapag nasira siya, sa tapunan na siya napupunta. So kaming mga e-waste worker, binibili namin siya. Mostly yung mga customer namin nagagalit kasi lagi nilang sinasabi ang mahal ng bili namin dito. Pero bibili niyo lang siya ng ganito. Pero pag tiningnan mo yung value nung kalakal or nung e-bike, napakababa niya lang. Actually, kapag binili namin si e-bike, yung casing niya, tapo na yon. Waste na yon kasi may halo siyang goma. Kapag binili namin yung katawan na BI, mura lang mabibili. Pero yung baterya, kapag sira na siya, tapo na siya talaga. So kapag tinapon siya, saan siya mapupunta? Hindi naman siya tinuturo sa amin kung paano siya ma-dispose properly. No one tell us how to dispose it, dismantle it, just dinadala na lang namin sila sa basurahan kasi wala na siyang pakinabang kapag dinala namin siya sa junk shop. Kwento ko lang, syempre kaming mga mangangalakal dahil wala kaming sapat na kaalaman. Meron kaming isang member na namatay dahil sa e-bike battery. Nung tinusok niya yung lagayan ng kuryente, nag-spark siya. So nakuryente yung member namin. Nung makuryente siya, nag-crack yung balat niya sa dulo ng daliri niya. Akala niya okay lang yun. So anong ginagawa niya? Nangangati hanggang sa nangati siya. Nagkaroon siya ng rashes. Ang ginagawa niya, may langis kasi yung e-bike. Yun yung lead acid. Na akala niya, kapag nilagay niya sa balat niya, nakakatulong kasi nawawala yung kate. Pero namamaga siya ng namamaga hanggang mamatay siya. So saan kami pupunta? Hindi namin alam kung kanino. Dahil wala namang nag-o-offer sa amin eh. No one's offer us a help. No one hear us. It's sad to say. Many producers produce and manufacture those things without telling us what is the harmful cause it in us. Even we are not knowing everything. We just work hard to bring bread to our house. So you know what? That man left her child. Nobody can take care of him at his young age. And hindi namin alam kung kanino kami hingi ng tulong kasi yung binili naming produkto, wala namang mananagot kung di kami lang. Sir, ma'am, siguro po, masasabi ko lang, sana po kapag gagawa kayo ng implementation, when you made implementation, rules, better to stand with us, hear our voice. Not hearing our voice, make us ingredients to that implementation because we know everything. When you say waste, we are on that cycle. We work on that cycle. So we need to be ingredients in the implementation that you made, that the government implemented to the country. Because like this, hindi namin alam kung kanino kami pwedeng lumapit. Alam namin na marami siyang hazard waste, chemical waste, pero ito lang po kasi yung alam namin eh. Karamihan po sa amin hindi nakapag-aral. Humihingi po kami ng tulong sa lahat. Sana bigyan niyo po kami ng seguridad sa aming hanap buhay. Turuan niyo po kami, i-training niyo po kami. At higit sa lahat, magmalasakit po sa tulad naming mga waste worker. Thank you.
Thank you very much.